ये जो विद्यालय है BRPS स्कूल, इसकी जो आधारशिला रखी गई वो 2017 में रखी गई। और 2017 में जब आधारशिला रखी गई तो हमने जो हमारे इस स्कूल के प्रधानाचार्य हैं सांवली मैम, मिस्टर प्रदीप मिश्रा जी, ये बंगाल में कलकत्ता के रहने वाले हैं। हम इनको यहाँ निर्माणाधीन समय में ही लेकर आए थे। तो मिस्टर प्रदीप जी ने उसी समय ये स्वीकार किया कि सर ये मेरे लिए चैलेंज है और मैं इस ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में भी आपकी भावनाओं के, आप लोगों की भावनाओं के अनुरूप करके दिखाऊंगा और मेरा पूरा प्रयास रहेगा कि ये विद्यालय दिनों दिन उन्नति की ओर अग्रसर होगा। उसी परिप्रेक्ष्य में इस विद्यालय में प्रथम वर्ष हमने लगभग 300 या 400 बच्चों से स्टार्टिंग की थी। आज हमारे विद्यालय में लगभग 1400 बच्चे हैं। इसके साथ ही विद्यालय 4 बार या 2 बार ओलंपियाड में भी शामिल हो सका है और हमारे बच्चों ने उसमें भी कीर्तिमान स्थापित किया। हमारे बच्चे हाई स्कूल की परीक्षाओं में भी टॉप मार्क्स लेकर 95% से ऊपर लेकर हमारे बच्चों ने हमारे विद्यालय का नाम रोशन किया। इसी प्रकार इंटरमीडिएट में भी हमारे विद्यालय के बच्चों ने, हमारे जो शिक्षक शिक्षिकाएं हैं, जो गुरुजन हैं, उन बच्चों के मिस्टर प्रदीप मिश्रा जी हैं, सांवली जी हैं, इन लोगों के अथिक प्रयास से हमारा विद्यालय दिनों दिन उन्नति की ओर अग्रसर है। इसी परिप्रेक्ष्य में अभी 14 नवंबर बाल दिवस पर हमारे विद्यालय के 4 बच्चों ने महामहिम देश की जो हमारी राष्ट्रपति हैं महामहिम द्रौपदी मुर्मू से मुलाकात की, भेंट की और उनका आशीर्वाद हमारे बच्चों ने और हमारे प्रधानाचार्य व उप प्रधानाचार्य महोदय को दिल्ली राष्ट्रपति भवन में मिला। ये हमारे लिए बड़ी गर्व की बात है और सौभाग्य की बात है। आज विज्ञान मेला बहुत ही सुंदर और बहुत अच्छे ढंग से स्कूल के प्रांगण में लगा हुआ है। सभी बच्चों के अभिभावक व अन्य लोग जो हमारे बच्चों से, स्कूल के परिवार से, BRPS परिवार से जो लोग प्यार करते हैं, स्नेह करते हैं, तमाम क्षेत्र के लोग यहाँ एकत्रित हुए और बड़ी खुशियां मनाई। और सारे के सारे लोग तो हमारे क्षेत्र के जो शिक्षक शिक्षिकाएं हैं, जो बच्चे हैं, बालक बालिकाएं हैं, उनके अभिभावकों के अलावा भी जो अन्य क्षेत्र के वासी हैं, जो बुद्धिजीवी वर्ग के लोग हैं, जो सभी लोग यहाँ आकर बहुत सारे लोग उपस्थित हुए और हमारे इस विद्यालय के उज्जवल भविष्य की कामनाएं की, बच्चों को आशीर्वाद दिया। हमने भी अपने इस BRPS परिवार की ओर से उन सभी मेहमानों का आभार प्रकट किया है और आभार प्रकट करते हैं कि इसी प्रकार हमारे विद्यालय के बच्चों को, शिक्षक शिक्षिकाएं को, हम लोगों को, उन सभी लोगों का प्यार, स्नेह और आशीर्वाद मिलता रहे, जिससे कि हमारा ये विद्यालय हमारे नगर का, हमारे क्षेत्र का, हमारे प्रदेश का और हमारे देश का और अपने माता पिताओं का नाम भारत में नहीं, हम तो ये उम्मीद करते हैं कि विश्व में भी हमारे इस विद्यालय का, हमारे छात्रों द्वारा और हमारे जो शिक्षक शिक्षिका गुरुजन बंधु हैं, उनके द्वारा ऐसी शिक्षा दी जाए कि पूरे विश्व में हमारे इस विद्यालय का डंका बजे, नाम हो।
Being BRPS principal and academic director, I have started my journey in 2017 from ducks to dean. it's a journey. It's very hard struggle, obstructions, regular day by day. I console the teachers. I light the star that guide us through the dark night of learning. This is the main mool mantra which we have delivered to the teachers regularly in all the assemblies which are being conducted by the schools. This journey comes along with all the paths from 2000, so many achievements, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 21. We have seen a very much struggle period of Corona. We have survived somehow for online classes and all. These are all in my mind regularly. How I became, grow these schools the best of in our area or our mandal, Berli Mandal, Badaयूं region and Dehradun region. This achievement comes true almost last year, 2023-24. Our batch, Sandhya Kumari, has got 95.2% in the board examinations. I have left one goal achieved in this school regards, because I have achieved this school, this achievements, previous schools also, that is 100% result of any students, like 500 out of 500. These are the ultimate goal of this school itself. So teachers teaches us not just a subject, but also important the life lesson. This is I need. Teachers believe in us even when we doubt ourselves. Teachers are those who open the minds of young minds in the world. This is open of the area, because these are the limited area which is covered in छोटा क्षेत्र है, वहाँ पे लोग बहुत this is the almost first line learner peoples are there, first generation learner peoples are there. There is कोई भी घर में पढ़ा लिखा नहीं है, फिर भी they are been struggling, only depends on the school. These are the growth period. These are the things which I am going to deliver to every sessions of my school meetings to the teachers. I just convince to the teachers, you are the persons who can made changes in the students' life. Students, if you make a dream a big, you can achieve it almost nearing a level. आप अगर ड्रीम नहीं करोगे, वाइल्ड ड्रीम नहीं करोगे, तो आप नहीं पहुंच पाओगे उस एरिया तक जहां पे आपको पहुंचना है. Teachers is the makes of the great nations. बहुत सारे teachers, so many teachers are proud in our nations and the worldwide, the name and fame in the several schools, several teachers. Teachers can make the things which are been not happen regular day. It's been very disturbed in our mind regularly. Newspapers rolled up. One students have been different areas making crime, but these are not the students. We are responsible. If we cannot make them social, make them polite, make them disciplined, they won't be happen either. So our guidelines and motto to rise and rise every day, regularly in the honesty, in the level of honesty in the path, which has been regularly happen in this glorious journey. And last but not the least, I hope our journey comes to our aim in this year, and with that achievement, that is Rashtrapati Bhavan, which our students have been selected by various pattern and manner. We have achieved it in the consecutive third attempt in from 2021, 22, 23. We have achieved the goal in 24. We reached there and they have get blessings from the Rashtrapati ji, Rashtrapati Mahodaya ma'am, Draupadi Murmu. उनके ब्लेसिंग्स मिले हैं और बच्चों को बहुत अच्छा प्रोत्साहन दिया है उन्होंने, और कहा है कि आगे हम नेशन के काम में, यही हमारे स्कूल के मोटो, rise regularly, still rise regularly, still rise. These are not. Thank you. Have a nice day.
To all my dear parents, children, and all our well-wishers, we are very happy to announce today before you that VR Public School has successfully completed its exhibition cum fete from the school premises today. It has been an honor for the school that our children have displayed such a beautiful set of creation before all our parents and all our guests. And we are very proud to announce that our school has been able to receive such a glorious position today in the whole area. As you are all aware of the fact that our school VRSS was established on the year 2017. It was a small dream of our respected manager, Mr. Santosh Gupta ji, his wife Rama Devi ji, our Honorable Director Sir, Mr. Hitendra Shankadhar ji, and our management team, which comprises of Mr. Raju Pathak, Mr. Pradeep Bachchan, Mr. Sanjay Varshne, Mr. Rakesh Babu, and there were many more people who have come together and have planned to provide something to this area on the field of education, which will help the people of the area to make a progressive move for the future. Such a dream, which was laid as a foundation in the month of August 2016, came as a dream come true on the year 2017, 10th April, with a mere strength of 326 students. We are very proud to say that the school has scaled continuously in all these years and have come up with several achievements before all of us. Our school has been consecutively Olympiad district toppers of 2017 and 18. We have also garnered the state level Kabaddi Championship winner trophy of 2023, and after that, as you are all aware about the fact that recently on the occasion of Children's Day, 14th November 2024, our school was given an honorable place in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Our children were able to visit the President House and was able to meet our respected Honorable President Srimati Draupadi Murmu, who has been an inspiring figure for all the people around the country. She addressed the children and the teacher present over there in the Rashtrapati Bhavan Cultural Center and inspired the children to work hard for the future. She told all the students to take up resolutions so that they can work hard and turn out to be responsible citizens of the country. She inspired the children with the stories of great leaders, telling them to learn from their lives and be a worthy asset for the nation, so that India can also one day proudly claim itself to be the golden bird again, which we say it used to be. Today, on the occasion of Children's Day, which has been delayed by the 2 days because of the school visiting the Rashtrapati Bhavan venue, we have shifted our Children's Day program on 16th of this month, and today we have celebrated our science exhibition, social science exhibition, AI exhibition, our food fest with many fun games for all the children and their parents who have come together from different parts of the area and have contributed with lots of love, with lots of blessings to our children. The day has been very successful, and we from the VRPS family is thankful, is grateful to all the people who have stood by our side, have always advised us with their good thoughts, have always tried to point out our problems, our mistakes. We will strive hard in future with all our teachers, with all our students, to gain a great place in this area. I will not promise, because promises are meant to be kept, but I would always, from the core of my heart, try to strive harder and harder every day to make milestones for this school, to make the school proud, and to make this area proud. I am thankful to all the residents of Allahpur, Samaspur area, Islam Nagar area, who have always given us great ideas, who have always been encouraging at every step of our school. I am thankful to all my teachers whose ideas, whose hard work, whose efforts, whose continuous innovations have inspired our children to work for a better future. And the kids, I am very much thankful, a loving gratitude to all my dear students who have never let me down. This program which you are experiencing right now is mere an effort of 9 days. After the Deepavali, our children came up with the idea of conducting this small program for the people of this area, and they got only 9 days for the preparation, and in all these 9 days they have given their heart, their soul, and they have devoted each and every time their penny for the projects which you have seen through the live streaming. And the parents have equally helped us. They never questioned us. They have let their children experience this event. They have helped their children to come together full-fledgedly and have allowed them to participate with their heart and soul. At last, I would like to say that we at VRPS is always trying to make education better for the country. We always want you all to stand by our side, help us to achieve our dreams, because dreams always begins with a person dreaming, but it always succeeds when many people dream together with him or her. Thank you for everyone's listening, everyone who is watching this live streaming. Thank you for being a part with us. Thank you. Have a nice day. Namaskar. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.